going on, guys? It's your boy S4 James, and I'm back with another video. And today is the unboxing of 3D CADWorks rear USB charger for the Audi B8 B8.5. So let's get into this. See what Mr. James gave us. All right, so like our little connectors right here. Got little connectors, and then the product itself. Let's see the product itself. All right, so this is the product itself. This will replace your rear charger, the one that uses like a not a USB, it uses a cigarette plug-in for a charger. Instead, you'll now have two USB-Cs and a USB 3.0. So that makes it a lot easier. Just like if you guys have his coin holder swap out, which has the same thing, which is a USB and a USB-C charger on it, which is way more convenient than that other one for the coin holder. This, from what I'm understanding, is the plug and play kit. This is the plug and play kit, and then the other one is the tap kit. This is the tap version. This is the $60 version, and then the tap version is just $45. So there's like a $15 difference. Quality wise, this is really good quality. He once again has done it again. Good quality, nice feel, and everything like that. It only comes in one color. This is the only color it comes in, guys. So if you want a different color, you could just put a little skin over it or anything like that, you know? So yeah, this is the product. I will be doing an install video that'll be coming to you guys shortly to see how you install it. And if you don't want to wait for my video, on the package, Mr. James gives you a QR code for him doing the installation personally himself on a V8 or an 8.5. So if you don't want to wait for that, you can gladly click onto this video link. I'll put his link in the description so you guys can see that as well. Thanks for watching my unboxing. We will get into an install video on the next one.